I'm Mike.
I'm Laura.
We are Match Mead in Heaven, and we're going to do a install of a range hood. Is that what it's called?
Yes.
So this is a GE product that we've purchased to go with the GE range.
We got it. Yes.
Guys, on this install, at least for the GE product, the instructions are very, very intimidating. Read them 2 or 3 times, and then, because these instructions were not page 1, page 2, page 3, you had to flip around to page 6 and come back to page 2 and then go over to page 8. So we read through them multiple times, and then once we got in the install, it wasn't as intimidating. And hopefully this video, one of the reasons why we love doing this is, hopefully, if I think I made this comment, if I would have had a video, it would have been much less intimidating.
Yes.
So hopefully this video takes that intimidation factor out if you're looking at doing a hood yourself.
I want to see it.
Thanks for watching Match Mead in Heaven. Give us a thumbs up. Give us some comments. Please subscribe if you like watching our videos. We enjoy doing them. You can probably tell. And everyone have a great day, evening, whatever your situation you're in when you're watching this video. But God bless.
See ya in 5 minutes.
Our oven is 36 inches tall. The GE installation guide has a table, and within the table you first determine how high your ceilings are, and then based upon that height, ours are 8 foot tall, then you know where to install based on your oven height this first piece, which will the mounting bracket for the hood. So ours is telling us 8 feet tall. We can go anywhere between 24 and 26 inches with this install. So we're just going to pick 25 inches, and then you go up 1 1/8 inches with the GE install because the hood width, this will go in the back, the hood width is 1 1/8 inches up from this. So obviously we want this on the center. I've already marked the center line, so I'm going to transpose that center line with a level all the way up. Laura and I, before we installed our shiplap, put in 2x4 braces between our wall studs. So I know I've got a lot of wood here to screw to, and here below my electrical where it's going to be necessary.
How do you know that, though, when we have the shiplap already covering them?
Good question, Laura. And I know you asked that question because you know the answer. You asked that question for everyone watching. So it is a good mark when you put wood behind here, because I can't use a stud finder because my shiplap is wood. So we marked where we put our 2x4s in, so we would remember that when we come to this important step of mounting this first bracket. So let's get it mounted.
You're pretty smart.
And now I've got to install this guy here. So I'm going to drill some holes and install him. We
now is the
lifted it in and set it on the back brace, and then Laura held the front of it. It was supported on the back, and I got up and drilled 2 holes and installed them in the back. So now we're just going to take our hood up. We are doing not a vented install. This is in the middle of the house. We could have done a vented install and ran some flex, but we're just going to do the charcoal filters and the recirculation install. Alright, we're doing the electrical connections now. There was a little electrical box here on the front. Just removed it, popped out the entry for the wire, and now we're just connecting into our box. And there is a grounding screw inside the box. So pretty easy. Black to black, white to white, ground to ground.
Did you remember to turn off the breaker?
Turn off the breaker first, everyone, before you
Just-
mess with any electrical.
Just making sure.
Please turn off your breaker. And after you turn off your breaker,
All right,
test it.
sugar, I turned the breaker back on. Let's see if it works.
Flaps. Lights.
I love it.
Or you can dim the lights.
Oh, I like it. And then it has the Chef Connect
It has
where
a remote.
Wi-Fi.
It has a remote also.
Yes,
Remote control.
I love it.
You can sit on the couch and turn the fan on.
Yeah, I love it.
Right, this bracket here is centered again between our cabinets, and it will be holding the recirculation box for our install. And we have some 8-inch duct that we will be connecting to the recirculation box, and then the outside hood will also connect to the side of this bracket.
If you're wondering why he's having such a rough time, he's trying to screw these itty bitty screws up there by himself. Okay,
Alright,
we're back from a commercial break.
This item was not supplied, so we went to Lowe's and bought some 8-inch by 24-inch straight duct. So now we're going to have to mark it between our recirculating box and the top of our hood. Cut it and install. 8-inch
Okay.
duct has been cut the proper length, and no screws. Do not use sheet metal screws as our instructions. Just tape it up, and we use duct tape, or you could have used some HVAC metal tape, but that stuff rips real easy, so we use duct tape. Laura is finally contributing to this project by
You've got to be kidding me.
doing some WD-40 on her stainless steel. Oh, by the way, she's got a video on that. Use WD-40 to clean stainless steel. But in this case, Laura's cleaning the inside of the hood. It is going to be sparkling on the inside.
You're a booker. Don't scratch it. He's going to make fun of me. I'm going to give him a hard time.
How's that?
I don't like the blue on it. And it doesn't go all the way up.
Well, that part is got WD-40 on it, and it is so slick, it's going to go boom, straight up to the top. Just wait a moment. I'm going to screw the bottom down first. 2 metal screws underneath. I'm going to screw those in first, and then we're going to slide that top up and connect it, hopefully.
Come on, honey, you can do it. If you put your mind to it.
Is there one over there?
Yep.
It's wanting to slide. It's so slick.
Slick.
Slickery. WD-40 all over it.
Now what are you gonna do?
Look at that. Now, I'm going to ask you for one of those wood screws. Did I call that a wood screw?
You did. You must be getting tired. Now we're trying to install these charcoal filters. It's not very,
User friendly.
it's not.
Here's where your air intake is. They pop on there. So those should be replaced every 6 months in a recirculating install. Let's get this on video.
He's actually letting me do
She's
something.
contributing again. She's putting the grease filters back in. We did, by the way, get the charcoal filters. They are a doozy, and they were not in the instructions at all. It just said install them. Thanks for watching. By the way,
Don't forget to check out our merchandise on Teespring.
appreciate your support. Have a great day.
We're going to take a survey.
Okay.
So after you watch this video, you vote for me or you vote for Michael as to which one you think figured it out.
Okay.
Just want to see who you think's the smartest.
All right. Let's see your comments. Let's see your votes.
I want to see yes.
I'm real excited to get to install this hood. It'll be a first for me. And
It's a first for me too.
yes, it's a first for both of us.
Hopefully.
And this can be installed.
no.
I know. But there was something we wanted to tell them.
Yes, there was. So what was that?
Remember that when we do the intro.
That's exactly what I said. Was it about the charcoal filters?
I don't think so. Because we put that in the video.
Was it about doing a step before a step? That's in the... Was it...
Please hold for a second.
By Georgie, we got it!